The Technical Education Center has hosted TEC Spotlight since 2018 as a way to introduce the careers, programs, and labs in this building to the community, local industries, College of DuPage students, and high school students. The career and technical education programs in this building focus on high-skill, high-wage, or in-demand occupations. All 11 programs in the building participate and provide career information, lab tours, and availability to speak with faculty. The programs in this building provide hands-on learning in trades such as automotive service, electronics, manufacturing, electromechanical, welding, horticulture, and HVACR. Other careers in tech include aviation, architecture, construction management, and interior design. Student clubs attend and share information about their mission, goals, their projects, and how to get involved. College of DuPage is an affordable pathway to your future. In-district students pay approximately 1/3 of the total expenditure, allowing students to earn certificates and degrees affordably and to transfer to universities for advanced degrees. Come to TEC Spotlight and find the career of your dreams.